What's happening, guys? My name is Trader Jay, and today we do another live trading video. So today's pair is pound Singapore. Now, why did we take this trade? Okay, so if you can see here, the price has been trending down since the end of July, roughly 3-4 months now of downtrend. And what do? We drew a trend line from top to bottom, and we can see that the price has been respecting that trend line since. However, since then, price has dumped past the 200 daily EMA. So here, as we can see, price has made two massive bearish candles going down before coming back up to retest this level here. Also here on this area, we also have the 220 EMA, and we can see that price is consolidating and hesitating to push up higher. So we've got quite a couple of factors here to take this trade. Furthermore, we've also got the stochastics in the overbought region here, so that gave us more conviction to take this short trade. So if we go down to the 4-hour time frame to see more clearly what price action is doing, we can see that price, again, as mentioned earlier, price has been hesitating at this trend line here as well as the EMAs there. And what we did is, after this bearish candle on the daily time frame, which is this one here, this big wick candle, we decided to wait for a retracement to the 50% level. So if you pull a fib from high to low, we entered around this area here. Yes, price did come up a little bit higher than our entry, which is totally okay. However, it did come back down, and now is playing around our entry a little bit, which is, again, definitely okay. Our stops are just above these highs here. Our take profits, the reason why we put them down here was not just because of this major level, so there is a major level there, but not just because of that, but also if you pull a fib extension from top to bottom to top, you can see that that lines up with the 1-to-1 fib extension level, which is more confluence to take profits there. As stated earlier, stops there, take profits there. This will provide us with a 2.7 to 1 risk ratio, which is almost 3, and a pretty nice risk ratio if you ask me. So yeah, hopefully this target, which is not too far of a target. I mean, price has been trending down. If it decides to break this highest here, then obviously the uptrend will probably most likely continue. However, if it doesn't and decide to follow this short-term trend, our targets should be hit down here. Alright guys, that's it for now. Let me fast forward and show you what price has done. And we're back. Unfortunately, price has hit our stop loss, and this position is a loser. Now guys, this is a perfect example why we practice risk management. We have to understand that not all trades will go our way, and even though the signals were there, the pin bars, momentum to the downside, stochastics showing as overbought, everything was there lining up. However, price did not agree with our position and decided to flick us out. Am I annoyed? Am I upset? Am I emotional about losing this trade? No, not really. So everything met my trading rules, everything met my criteria. Unfortunately, price, like I said earlier, did not do what we expected to do, and that's perfectly okay. Losses are going to happen along the way as long as we practice our trading rules to a T, and as long as we take every setup we see, our trading edge will eventually play out, and thus we will be profitable in the long run. Let's quickly analyze what happened and quickly dissect if there was anything else that we could have done better. So as I mentioned earlier, all the signals were there. Pin bar candles were showing that momentum was going to shift to the downside after rejecting off the 200 and the 20 daily EMA. Even here, after price came up, it started pushing down again, creating a massive pin bar there. Unfortunately, the next candle rocketed up and took our stops out right there, and yeah, that's all she wrote. Now, would I take this trade again, or would I re-enter this position? At the moment, no, I wouldn't re-enter this position, considering the price is currently above the 200 EMA on a daily time frame, and unfortunately that doesn't meet my rule, so I can't trade this. The only trades I'll be looking for here now is the long-term trend continuation. So if you see here, price has been continuing up. This may have just been a fake out before taking the price further up. So I may be looking for long positions from here on. If we delete this, we'll most likely wait for a retest of this 200 EMA. Once price goes up, comes back down, and hopefully the stochastics is showing as oversold. At this point here, there is no trade. So this doesn't meet my trading criteria. It doesn't show me any signal of entry just yet. So this position is a loser of about $84. Like I said, we practice good risk management and capital preservation, so we don't blow up our account. And that's it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.